guys, welcome back to another episode. Para mim começar, I apologize por semana passada não estava tendo episode riba Spotify. I really tried, pero I think like audio não estava de bom e não me dava maneira para aqui com meu não post riba Spotify. Pas me da toch wel a qualidade de sonido importante. Então, se você quer você pode riba YouTube sim. Tava um episode com Ana Marie, which is super fun para você my work. Y'all should definitely check it out. Para mim, actually começar, me quero dizer algo. E episode aqui não tem echt uma estrutura, para mim apurba, like, you know, my feedback para mim, work para mim structure, and so I did that in the last dos vídeos não. Pero me dari para que personally, para mim, me tem um pouco difícil para ver echt um script. Me da bij toch wel ta less structure de mi video não. Me da echt bij purba, bij die punto per punto, pero nog steeds me da echt bij purba que da mane echt. Você gewoon papi ecos mane da sali. Sim echt voorbereid de video não, pas me da sim mane da show mas e persona que me ta ande da mane kita e não sei, é da sim de força, não me gusta ecos de sim de força e at all. Dus yeah. Let's get started. Again, I'm with my iPad actually. With my iPad, pas me subir a mi TikTok, pas me no sabe que comigo papi awe. Anto, dia me que puntra. Quem sa any topics para mi podcast, and I really got a few. I don't know, I got a few answers. Dus me também, why not contestar a pergunta nang of papi tocando de tópico nang kubos nang mes atrás dilante. So shout out Yandra. Because Yandra actually nami mas tá no tópico mesmo mi papi tocando DJ, and I'm really grateful. So esse nome da papi DJ awe. And me dei por base em vídeo, but se você não quer like more depth into the topics, let me know. Okay, first of all, dia tópico nang ku etapa da que mi papi tocando DJ tá building self-confidence and self-esteem. Well, essa é uma das favorite topics actually. É algo que a mim me está echt riba jete dia de awe. I have come a very long way. Let me tell you that. Paso, first of all, ora me tava by SGB, aka liceu, whatever. Ora me tava em meu eerste jaar. E não é confidence como me tava tem na chiqui assim. Sowieso me da film en toen tinha com um style in puberty, pero I had it really bad. Me tava da echt um people pleaser. Me notava da por abisa no. Me notava da tem mi própria opinião. A lot of times me tava da gewoon bisa sina turcos Ora me pensa back riba etapa de mi vida me da gewoon mane girl what were you doing? Me da sin di mane bad e me da sin di que triste também. Ku a mi di tempo ino por abisa mane no. E me notava da confident at all, zero confidence, zero confidence. Okay. A me explica bozo. Kiko me da quer, a buta como tava tigi confidence and kiko mas para actually hanya confidence. So first of all, ekosku a buta como tava tigi confidence, tava da pas me notava da echt mane like the way I looked. And I feel like the way que você look, the way que você present yourself, tá echt parte op grande, hopi bia pa yende, in confidence. Well, opinião da bisa confidence tá bem nipa ding, it does. Pero se você não gosta como da zitera, tá bem hopi difícil para botar confidence. Eu gosto mais preta, que I had to accept the way that I looked, which is algo que você style nipa ding, mentally ekita. Anto nang mi pora echt gusta e maneira como da look di pa fo. So it comes with a little bit of self-acceptance. Anto ora masinha aceitar mi mes. Un style mai un upgrade paso. Awo como aceitar mi mes mi po tweak tu rekonan comporta mi no gusta je tanto anto sinha embrace nang juist. Dus mami sa mi no tawala gusta mi kabay at all. Na chiki mi tawala ting kabay natural. Anto mi mama tawala echt gusta mi kabay. Tawala penha mi kiko. Sempre mais compliment, pero se você mesmo não gosta boca bem, é compliment nem não tá assim nada, é que nem entra de hora essa de outro, ando me dá corda, ora me dentro de mané grupo 4 ou grupo 5, me digo minha mama, me acho que think about it. And I get that my mama suka best inter ora about it. Ela actually like relax me about this got me like straight hair. Pero one thing, ik weet nunca no aquela mi bom. Ela queda echt hobby malu. Like, bosamane, I remember this very specific time. Ko mi abay habri, pero estaba da straight, dus echt chemically straighted anto plancha. Afia si umi ni plancha, mi mama taba da fin mi abay. Mi abay asi un coprol, antero mi abula bin back, ik abay na akong keda. Panang kwenta anto mi dokorda mani. I felt so embarrassed. Mane toen taba like da hari ekos, and mi da hari ekos, cause I thought mane mi tu end up silly. Like I don't care si mane no sorry about it, pero deep down, I can actually do something with me. So, te dia já eu cometi 21, não, 21, 22 anos. Até eu cometi 22 anos, sometimes, niet eens. I woke me up at the gym and I actually think about that. And I'm like, I do remember feeling op mane ashamed di mi kabay. Ando mane, I messed up. Anyways, depois SGB a começar, sorry, me dá mane papiano lia. Depois SGB a começar, então me vai SGB erisi, like, ma começar a buy back na roots. Miga vai começar a crescer back, então minha começar a embrace my natural hair de novo. And so inana gente a journey a começar como ani ciência miga vai, etc. Which tu rende muito essa boca vai tá parte importante de como tá sentindo. And a mim da pensa, não me sabe é coisa que vai botar para sentir the most confident. I'm not saying by natural, se assim não dá bocos. I'm not saying straight boca vai tampouco me dá echt pensa que ainda me se consegue aceitar na mes. And when you learn to accept yourself, accept every flaw, boda assim também com pa yes make that look better. A lot of other things também que tem a ver com confidence para mim tá com como da apresentar mim mesmo, ando com me da papel outro ende. Mas timbia, cara me da den coisa content creation and so. Ora me sende a câmera tá switch, tá switch me dá assim. Porta me dá assim tá mane assim aqui, so pero me ora me dá dilante câmera me dá sentir me the most confident. Ando essa é a maneira como me dá come over também cerca outro ende. Porta in real life, me tem momento não como me dá sentir me as confident, pero tá switch me dá assim mane. Mi voz ainda assim aqui, pero me dá por ba, you know, get my shoulders back. Derecha é postura. Tu reconhece ajuda, like, ora para um content creator, é coisa mais importante é a maneira que você apresenta para mim, é a maneira que você papia. Tu é tipo de coisa que a mim dá focus e budget para me come overconfident, and é botar me sentir mais confident too. Se me tem kaya, ando me mesmo content, por exemplo, hene hobby chance tá by wakbo. Timbia mané na Holanda, timbia hene no da que da wakbo mané na Bonaire, pero nanta acknowledge que boda bezig com algo to sigi. Pero se me queda wak e outro não, ora não bezig tá wak, me is not gonna make me confident. Me da confident é echt algo que me está trece delante. It's switch que boda assim de momento. Me dá um pouco difícil para explicar como, me dá espero para você compreender. Pero tips não como tem que sowieso bo posture that really matters. Echt, você work on your posture. De dois, sim, eu conheço bom mês, mas eu vou conhecer bom mês, mais confident vou portar. Mane, se eu ene puntra mi mane química assim, aqui pare aí antominosa, it's not gonna make me feel confident. It's gonna make me feel mane me echt no echt sa química. Pero timbia bononisa, pero it's good to have like richting ongeveer die kiko boeken. Je zei dat die dos por exemplo, na me quero um voorbeeld, je was echt compreender me. Another thing is, por exemplo, se eu não papel cubo, ando bonota mane Bono sabe que eu vou papiando, of bono tem kennis de algo is also gonna make you feel tiki mane inseguro, típico né. Dus é muito importante para focus se você sabe que inseguro de algo, trazer budget, vooral when it comes to kennis en to vaardigheden. Dus coisas que você actually oefen en to bira mio at. Se je pas be kubo about budget en dan da mane budget en dan da werk. echt kitty bijvoorbeeld, oké, anyways. But je aan het werk, that's not something we would change as scene aqui. Dus it's, first of all, si me sabe que what the hell. Maar goed, a mí da pensar que letterlijk, het tipo de coisas e a coisa que porta por não pode cambiar, those are the things que você embrace. Você embrace e coisas que make it different. Hope bia, e coisas que dá se inseguro tá algo que porta não tá comum em outro ende. Learn to make that your thing and to learn to embrace that. A mí já gusta en algo que look different. Me da bisa eerlijk, a mí gusta en algo que look different because nada interesante to look at. I don't want to look at everybody looking the same. Me gusta ora unhene mani un tiki karakter. It's very nice. Papá eu conheço algo da pensa outro, kuta dress outro, whatever it is. No se get bored ora nos wak e mesmo coisa over and over again, right? So learn to embrace é coisa que dá sibo único e a mí personally me saco mani me cabelo tá mani coisa que dá stand out topi when it comes to mani my appearance. For the rest, a mí no sé qué otro lo stand out topi, pero ese me sa, and ese da algo me da actually often influence on this. One bisa, me da make sure que mi cabello looks very nice, very cute, very kiko tur ora, pues ese da algo da buta a mí sinti me más confident too. Y it does stand out, so it's like a win-win. Eu penso affirmations da echt yuda. Te dia já affirmations da echt algo me da echt stand by. Algo que me da use as much mas paso me da sinti me confident. Pero ora me sinti like as soon as me sinti como okay, confidence that going down of qualquer insecurity doesn't have to do with appearance. Timmy it's about finances. Timmy it's about direction in life. Ora me sinti some type of course me da como affirmations on right now. And another thing, what I wasn't going to consume. Si will consume like letterlijk only people who look many supermodels, kuno they look. I don't know, I get work done and the abo mes I get work done. Like be so for real. Like you don't want to be comparing yourself to that. Como po comparable mes. Ku unhende ka letterlijk change everything about themselves to fit the beauty standard. And the abo no cambia nada. Make it make sense. The other manier, I wish me table thing a bida di tal king like einstand a person that thing letterlijk manier ziekte echt messed up of I don't know, I don't even have een voorbeeld pero letterlijk like be mindful of what you wish. Pas thing ja ik was dan dat gewoon manier. But I'm wishing bij algo pero eigenlijk you don't even want that. Timia de gente não wish mane oh I wish me ting body mane tal persona. Pero a persona gets so over sexualized pa e corpo que eting que não nem sentir cómodo de corpo que eting. There's always someone who's gonna be like me getting cabelo krul. Tem um com cabelo krul com da bisa não que cabelo straight. You will never be happy com o que com botin unless você aceitar. Letterlijk. So once eu cuido de meu cabeça, you will realize a lot of things. Anyway. Algo más como quero visitar, try different styles, different outfits, different clothes. Sim, aqui que match kubo, aqui que pass kubo, com a outfit, com a makeup, com a hairstyles, com a pela. I don't care se tu é number, tá escutando me. Anything, learn and to try different things. Tipo, não try different things, não sa. Te minha bota mané, that outfit would never look good on me, pero después bota try it on and you're like, oh, actually, it'll look very nice. Of this color could never look good on me. Exactly. Like, there's a lot of things cool basi. So be TikTok. Learn more things about your hair type, about skincare. Learn things about your body shape. Todo tipo de coisa é coisa que ajuda. Coisa que ajuda a mim com minha confidence hope to start modeling. Dogo me dá modelar, me dá delante de câmera mais tanto. Like, I've always been delante de câmera. For social media, like TikTok, whatever. Pero modelar is a whole different thing. Like you need to letterlijk money stand firm. Paso turcos que pode assim, turcos que pode como pode ziter aí no momento aí. Se você não está contente com como que bem está quedando, it's literally it vai estral uit. It will estral uit. And ik weet dat algo pode assim, hasi demo day to day também. Even though I'm still working on that, I'm not the guy you in there. I mean like cierto cosas assim me hope inseguro, mas por exemplo, being at a job, papia holandês, those types of things that assim me um tiki insecure, like speaking Dutch ko hindi random, pas me da mane, bossa, me da, ik kon me da so they actually make sense. I've never had that ter me bimbi ba Holanda, pas me ta assim que me holandês tá bom, e me sa como holandês tá bom, pero eduda nem tá dentro de minha cabeça. And then you need to learn to stand firm and to show nang kubata confident, kubata, you know, whatever. Mira que haciendo cosas fuera de comfort zone ta me dando una boa confidence. Di kong, ti me bota pensa que bueno por algo and ahora try it. You see that it's not that bad and it wasn't that scary and te kuita me dando una boa confidence. Dus ja, a mira que esse nang ta echt mi pensamento riba e tópico de confidence. So now I'm gonna be talking about. It's gonna be setting boundaries without guilt. Whew. A mí también supposo eerlijk con a mí pues explica pues algo como me está struggle con él. De dia já a mí da echt struggle con setting boundaries when vooral epida without guilt. Paso, ora por un good person. Epida without guilt, it's a bit difícil de com. Well, I consider myself a good person. Ando me saturen, não vai considerar ende whatever na experience tá, pero over het algemeen se me so aqui em ter minha vida, me considerar mim mesmo bom persona. Então, I feel like sempre me grow up echt com uma ideia que mim mesmo tá bom persona, ando mim mesmo assim good to other people. And ora was bong tabi back, but at the same time I feel like mas me cresce me dari para ako. That is true. For us, people think a mindset aí, pero hoeft niet per se. Anyways, how do you set boundaries without guilt is very difficult. Anto, mi no sabe contestar mi pregunta, pero me divisa lo que me piensa por ayuda actually. Setting boundaries is muy importante. Digo, as a retired people pleaser, me da siente mane, si me no lo hacía compa set boundaries, lo hopi mal lo pasami over and over and over again. Pas ora bono bisa no, botanya bo mes na situação nang comporta bono da desse yata denje. And when you realize that nobody is going to come and help you, e não vou assim set boundaries. Trust me. First of all, botingo echt oefen bisa no. Porta botingo oefen bisa no. Si wene pun trabo pa bo hang out kunanto you're not really in the mood. Porta botingo siya bisa no when bo parents nang actually get cross boundary ko boting. Mo sa siya bisa no ora bo partner of rumang or anybody can actually like cross boundary ko boting set. And the not feeling guilty part, algo ko bumes me sabay figure out pa bumes, di kong mo feel guilty. Why do I feel bad to say no when it's actually something kumino ke? You know, it's not fair. Pa bo sintibo guilty. And a lot of people will actually use that against you. Nan sako bota bay sintibo guilty, and what do? They use that against you. And what do we call that? We call that guilt tripping. Anto, yeah, a mí da pensa que bomeses sa que ora hiene não tá assim que cubo pa por sa que bomeses against that. If you don't know when you're being guilt tripped, tá pretty difícil para set boundary. So I recommend actually like less a book about these types of things. Me da recommend maybe even ask ChatGPT. Ora boy, situation anda bono samani if you're being guilt tripped or what, letterlijk gewoon copy paste that message, denk ChatGPT en puntre. I've seen that happen to me countless of times. Na trabaho, I've seen that happen to me. Kamine enda por guilt trip me. With family, I've seen that with people. Like it's messed up. It's messed up. So I mean, no taputa ina sindimalos na mesa bisami no. Just why would they do that to me? You know. Timia ta komane. Di kung hene ta si ko kumi si ami nunca lo na si kubo, mi no te comprende. Maar goed. Eenmaal die hende assinata existi, And you will definitely need to learn to set your boundaries. Sim, identificar kiko boke and kiko bonoke. Se você kiko bonoke, it's very easy for you to say no. Anto, a mim também se você eerlijk. Dan denk ik, não sabe como bisa não. Pinko qualquer excusa para não me se vai as ecos e so. That's what I did, and that definitely helped. Sometimes but I minimize things, but I end up doing them toch, but I minimize like a urgency of a reason that you didn't want to do it, you know? Often yeah, but well, actually meeting a lot of things to do, pero you know, I could help you. For example, anto when you know kung eigenlijk benoting a time. Sometimes you just have to stand on business. Honestly, gewoon stand on business until, yeah, if they feel so bad about it, or, you know, they actually care about your mental health, until it is what it is. Porta, yeah. Tengo gewoon, let them go then. Paso, kiba que me assim. Se me avisavo com mino porasi tal cosa and it ends up being an issue, paso put yourself first. Are they really the people for you? That's what you should always ask yourself. Bueno, pues salva en el mundo. First of all, bueno, pues salva en el mundo. Antes dos, why do you want them to like you? Why do you want them to feel bom? Of why do you feel the need to feel good after saying no to someone? Di como da sinti mane, me da feel bad como bisa no when you're literally doing something for yourself. You need to work on that, paso un style. Como da bisa postima bom mês, onde depois ora vai assim algo que tá dentro do próprio benefício, ou da vai sentir mal depois. It doesn't make sense, right? So that's something you need to work on. Bueno, da obligar para assim nada. Então, se você sentir mané algo tá baiano tem costa de momento, always choose yourself. Because I bet que outra pessoa esse lo choose na mes. So, então real friends, real relationships, não vai dar pas babisa no. When something would like say a hurt of make you feel uncomfortable of you don't have the energy to do it. Dus assim a me dá aqui. So another topic que me quero papiamentu the healing from breakups and the healing from friendships. Oh my god, I've had to do this so many times. It's actually very heartbreaking. And having this like very close group of friends. And ons hebben echt like besties. When I say besties, ik ben echt besties. Like in mucho mooi dan kita hebben echt mi turcos, echt mi. Bami sa mi family un style. Bos amane timbia things are going on fuera di mane bo control and mi sinti mane they were giving me very nice stability for a very long time. And I feel like nos tour taba kind of going through something. Pero at the same time, no estaba eigenlijk mucho young, but going through all of that shit. Like honestly, I'm gonna be very honest. No estaba like it's kind of heartbreaking when I think back. It's a very bittersweet situation. Tapos iba sa como ni going through it. I abo mesmo going through it is nos young nos acomba like work on that. It's a very weird situation. And at some point, mabiri para committing like a lot of things to work on, a lot of like bad patterns, bad behaviors, etc. Ami personally, mi sabi sa eerlijk, ora mi tabo da jongens na mi echt not about sa communica at all. May para explain ki mi needs tantando mi tabo da unyene ko da echt run from conflict. Like I hate conflict. Te dia ja mi no gusta conflict, pero mi tamas Bei, me da mais me sai esse de mim mesmo, and that's why I do not step away from it. Pero é tempo na se me reparar como there's a weird vibe of algo, I'm just like, you know what, goodbye. And so assim na end my friendship style, and so it took me a very long time to heal from these friendships. But so what about trust? Grupo de girls. Of grupo de friends, who maakt niet uit the girls of guys. What about the trust? Grupo assim na tanto, anto you realize como não importa, eko que não da ekos pabo por tanto momento of I don't even know if it wasn't something for me. Because dat was gewoon een impulsive decision. Gewoon mijn emotions not take over. And I'm actually like, my ego about the kumino taba da ke mani. You know, sometimes it's just that. And yeah, helaas ons friendship end because of literally gewoon my ego no kera bisa sorry of like forgive of talk it out. Pas me I don't want to talk about it. Pas me da sinti me forgive nang. Pero looking back, ako me dos. I mean, like, girl, like, it was something very special that we had. Pero yeah, helaas. Things happen for a reason, I guess. Pero yeah, kung me a heal for the friendship breakup, I couldn't heal from that. What? I feel like I still haven't echt recovered. Like, nantawada asina special to me. Ano mi da sinti mani. Tidia jawi na nantaw special to me. Ano timya me se homane asita like. Low-key, this time it was me. I was in the wrong, I guess. So, without about a friendship, as in like close and it's so special for you. It's very crazy. Palaga un incident like end the whole thing. And yeah, I feel like door committing a regret minopora heal for the friendship breakup. Pero it's a whole different story. Ora ko actually do you dirty. Fuera de friendship, I've had other people who actually do me dirty, and then it's very easy to move on. But no te acepta disrespect, you know. Pero timbia like, mami sasita, see something I end and no echt end bong, and it's like, mi da yo jammer in manera que kaba, it's gonna like take longer to heal. So, I kind of heal from it. I gewoon journal about it, reflect on it, think about it. En to, ja, op een gegeven moment ben ik gewoon niet acceptabel. You know, it is what it is. Ik kon er bij zien en to, there's no coming back from this. Dus als ik see it personally. En to, I feel like, obvia, ora ko algo end. Pero maybe tengo anger towards someone or towards a situation. And afterwards, it turns kind of into a sadness. And I was very sad about the situation for so long. Hopi largo. Te dia jawi, ainda me da jammer com coisas na bai. Pero yeah, bosa like sometimes kick assim. Sometimes things just go very, very wrong, very, very fast. And yeah, how do you heal from a breakup? Tempo. Me da querer echt. See, the único contexto me muda tá gewoon tempo. Time heals everything. Gewoon tempo. Anto growth. Anto a lot of reflection. Toda típico neta ayuda para learn to understand a situation better. Pero da tempo só para heal breakup of friendship. Ando para breakups, like, honestly, I'm the worst at giving advice about breakups. So ik ga daar echt niet zo goed op. Dat is op eerlijk. Mi breakup romeko, mi relationship die awaki. Mi letterlijk gewoon meet a new guy en to letterlijk gewoon date a new guy. And that's how I kind of healed. Pero mi tabating self-reflection in me si pasako. Maybe that's not the best way. Anto, ik was bang pa ora ko ora amigo me vrij kom sa date. No sabe that kind of friends. Promete say. Ano nunca me no echt like partner, pero más como friend. Dus me tava to talk about like the things ko tava pasando kaba. Ando me ta sinti duro ko no sa papi about it, blah blah blah. Me tava kind of ready to let a breakup happen. Pero timbia algo breakup no necesariamente algo malo, timbia. Sometimes it's just what you have to do. Ando me ta sinti de caso, that's what I needed to do. Pero me tava gewoon sinti it wasn't taking me anywhere. There's a relationship, Anto, yeah. Everything takes time to heal. But a mí, like I said, comunicación no estaba mi best suit e tempo and I feel like I hurt a lot of people door como no estaba sa como comunicar. Anto mi aguanta o hurt ding mita me pasó. Ora para nós para comunicar o que eu vou mester is a very difficult situation. Anto, yeah, me gewoon end up letterlijk breaking up with that person. Anto, een manier como heal. Dat letterlijk first sowieso. Ora breakup happen en dan manier, haha. Me die breakup com ele. No, it's like, oh, jammer. Ik ook não estava lá local como estava tá. Que, me não estava que a história que acaba assim aqui, passou breakup. Ora um ainda dentro de relationship, at least I'm dating to marry. Dus, ora breakup happened, it's like, oh damn. I did not expect this story to end like this. And the manier ko heal about over it, gewoon papje ko someone, like letterlijk papje ko yende. Over and over and over and over and over again until there's nothing. Until you feel nothing. Until you feel gewoon manier. Mayora mi alma, ma papia mi alma, nada más me pasa. Anto, I don't know, I feel like music that always heal in those types of situations. Gewoon escucha music that you ora, te ora, buona, actually like, no pa llora más. Anto, I think it is surrounding yourself with the people you love and the good friends, journaling a lot. Those types of things put you dabo heal, pero at the end of the day, breakup, dat tempo só por heal breakup. Echt, dat tempo só por heal breakup. Trust me. Tempo só. Anto, yeah, I think also actually no tomando contacto back with a persona. Because that doesn't help anything. It just money reminder of so. Unless you literally leave things money echt. Bueno, talk it out. Si we not talk anything out, pues por dat botin moeite goed comuniceren money. A mí, por ejemplo. Ahora me da pensa like reaching out, actually talking it out and to end it. And the bosa timbia, hineta end kosko, bosing explica nada, etc. And then you will just have to let it be and to let it go. Paso timbia, you're not gonna get the closure you want. Paso por na block or something of aba block nang. Andere ja. Journal about it, reflect on it, and to laga tempo do so thing. Do not jump in another relationship. Mane ame as ekwe. Pero taba paso mi taba saco like this is my person for real this time. Like letterlijk as no mas sinti dus. Kung me how am I gonna leave that opportunity? Then to mabuna malo si po manedra de otro relationship. Pesimis I don't recommend. Pero de mi caso it was literally like how many. That's for real my person. It's for real my person this time. Like it was mi pora sinti a connection is keep me así, right? Yes, yeah. That's my take on breakups, to be honest. Time heals everything. Everything. Hope y'all like the topic and see y'all next time.